Hello, hi, all my dear students. How are you? I am fine. I hope you are well. All student, very thanks. You subscribe my channel, watch my video, like and shares. I sincerely pray for all student good mark in exam. And all assignment is no difficult. This is very easy. Please you understand. Should try to understand my all points. 2 days my assignment title Exp25 Excel chapter number 1 cumulative assessment trainings. 2 days my title is trainings. This assignment is 25. Project description. If you any kind of assignment, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, assess, grader, mathematics, you contact me. My email and my WhatsApp numbers. All student, point number, question number 1. Start Excel, download and open the file name Exp25 Excel chapter number 1 cumulative assessment trainings. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. All student, you first downloading file, but I already file downloading. Point number 2, question number 2, I increase word and color change. You understand better word. Your organization provided and discount to educator. However, the worksheet contain wording that need to the change to education. Use find and replace to the find teachers and replace with it with education. All dear students, worksheet, open the worksheet, replace find and educator, find an educator, replace, it's okay, replace teachers, replace teacher. I copy this and first empty paste, and second education, copy and this paste here. I paste here, replace, okay, I close this. Point number 2 is complete. Point number 3, I increase, I color change. The worksheet contain spelling error that need to be corrected. Check the spelling of the worksheet and correct the errors. Correct the error, it's okay. Correct the error, it's okay. Correct the error. Good. Error correct. check the spelling. Point number 3 is complete. Start now. Point number 4, I increase word and color change. You can start the chatting basic workshop because only one person registered for it. Delete the row contain the charting basic workshop. Delete the row containing the charting basic. Okay, delete the charting basics. It's okay, charting basic. Delete this. Okay. Charting basics row. I delete this. I increase. It's okay. Color change this. Point number 5. Start now. Point number 5 means question number 5. I start now question number 5. The Excel Analytics forecasting trainings course filled and you opened and others courses. Insert a new row between the big data foundations and data mining's row. Copy row 5 and paste it is empty row. Change the dates to June 7, 2027 in the range C7, D7. Enter 11 in the cell G7 and 10 in cell H7. Insert a row between the big data foundations, a data mining's row. Data mining row. Data mining row. It's okay. Insert this. It's okay. Data minings. I insert new row. Okay. 5. Copy this. I paste this. I back this. It's okay. Dates C7 and D7. Change the dates. C7 and D7. It's okay. Change the date to June 7. Just copy. C7 D7. It's okay. C7 D7. C7. I paste. Enter. It's okay. And D7. It's okay. I enter. It's okay. C7 and D7 date is completely changed. It's okay. Enter 11 in cell G7. 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 It's okay. And 10 in cell H7. 10 in cell H7. So okay, question number 5 is complete. And increase word and color change, you understand better word. Assigning a code to each workshop, provided a reference number you will use 06 to indicate the 6th month June and 001 for the first workshop. Type 06-001 in cell A5. Use autofill in complete the range A6 to A10. Type RDRs A5, where A5, it's okay. A5 I paste and range A6 to A10, I6 to A10. Okay students, dears, point number 6 is finally complete. I start now point number 7. Point number 7, I increase bet numbers. Instead of displaying dates such as 6/1/27, you went to display dates 6/2/2027. Format the dates in range with short dates 4 and 3/14/2011, 2012 from the type list. Note, user select as the formats. And format the date in the range A5 C5 D10 with short date format. It's okay. I log sheets C5. It's okay. C5. Format this log sheets. Short dates. I click no short dates. Okay, all dear students, short dates. You select formats. It's okay. Short dates. Okay, already. Click this 3/14/2012. Okay, I click this. Point number 7 is complete. Point number 8. The worksheet contain column for the start and end dates. It would be helpful to insert a column to display the number of days for each workshop. Insert a column to be right of the end date columns. Type type hash of days in cell 4 E4. It's okay, in cell 4 E4, cell E4, cell E4. Insert a column of right to the end date columns, date column, and type in C4. Type column E4, insert and hash of days E4, so it's okay. Dear students, I paste in E4 hash of days. Question number 8 is complete. Question number 9, I increase the size, I color change. Row 3 contain hash of attendees and gross revenue main heading, centering these heading over their respective subheading with help clarify the details. Marge and center the cell I3, marge and center the range J3, L3, J3, L3, marge and center. Margin and center H3 and I3, attendees gross revenue H3 the I3, it's okay, H3 I3, margin and center, it's okay, and margin center the range H3 and L3, cross and due J3 L3, J3 L3, it's okay, margin and center, margin, okay, J3 A3. Question number 9 is complete, and question number 10, start now, I increase and color change. Dear students, 10 point is finally complete, and total 26 question. Very thanks you subscribe my channel, watch my videos. All dear, very thanks.